Sorry about that. I'm going to show how sensitive the pedal is. Watch. Actually, let me close the hood. Don't really need that. Let me just put it in the TV. Watch the pedal. Listen to how it sounds from the interior. Actually, very sensitive. And when you see the battery power, when you hit that, it doesn't do much. Show you what it sounds like on the inside. Turn this off. Listen to how quiet it is. What it sounds like with the AC on. With the door open, really wide. Get another exhaust clip. This time it's gonna be better. Probably heard the engine turn off. By the way, this has 70,943 miles. Let's see. It takes about 3 seconds for the engine to come on once the engine's off, as you can see. And then it turns off. Sounds very unique. No car comes close to how this one sounds. That's the park button. Show you the steering, how that is. Steering wheel, kind of an oval shape, but it's very fluid and very easy to turn. Show you what the headlights look like. And whoa. Show you the taillight view real quick. You gotta good look at the tail lights. Well, this was just a random video, so thanks for watching. Plus, that door chime is where you have this key. Once you turn it off, it makes sort of like that noise. And then once it's doing that, hear that? Okay, that's enough studs. Well, thank you for watching.